Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another listing. This is 7,000 square meters for sale beside at Danau Bohol Cockpit Arena. So kilid sa Buangan, guys. So the location is beside to the Cockpit Arena and it is along the road. So actually the Cockpit Arena is surrounded by undeveloped road. That is why it is along the road. Natuyukan na ni sa kuan guys sa karsada pero walang ma-develop. The Cockpit Arena is a little bit far from the highway. Sudlon nun siya guys. Distansya gid sa highway. Nga na masad ni. So nindot kay nis mga sugarol. Yan yung mga ganahan og mga mo iskwilag madomingo. Ani sila. Dili na kakinahanglan nga moadto pa ka dito, di ana imong simbahan dire. Ika Domingo. Joke bitaw guys, no? Pero katong mahilig bitaw sa buwang. Pwede ra man sa ni labi nagnaa kay mga if you have your own mga sunoy o mga parabuwang. So, mana siya nindot kay ni siya. Kay every Sunday ko ni. So, no need to kuan go to the Cockpit Arena because it is beside on the property. So, nindot sa maka-business sad kana guys. Nga na man na. Daghan tag mahimong business diyan napita good. Then the price is 1 million pesos negotiable. Mahangyo pa 1 million ra ang presyo. Imagine asa magkana. Rough road no from the highway to the kuan approximately gikan sa concrete road guys na ani sa mga 1 kilometer, then rough road almost 1 kilometer rough road. So since it is beside of the Cockpit Arena, okay na sad kayo. So Danau Bohol is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So there is nearer town, the adjacent is Hitapi Bohol, which is good also, no? If ever no, if the kuan kanang gitawag og nag feasibility study pa man sila, the kuan bridge connecting Bohol and Cebu, mabot ra gyud mamahal gyapon ng yuta guys. Much better you can buy cheaper property for now because it's really going to high in the future if the bridge is realized na, no? Kanang PPP man, public private partnership, mao man na siya PPP. So nindot kayo guys if you can buy properties in Bohol kay mga yuta sa Bohol is really good, no? Good for investment. So again, the property we are selling is 7,000 square meters for 1 million pesos negotiable. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye. By the way guys, akong i-attach tong website ha aron makapili pa mo og mga properties for sale. I will attach. Thank you.